Hello students, difference between MOA and AOA, Memorandum of Association and Article of Association. Difference MOA, AOA. First point, scope. Constitutions of the company define object and power. Object and power. Define its object and power. In this MOA, AOA rules and regulation for the day-to-day working of the company. Rules and regulation for day-to-day working of the company. Necessity. Second point, necessity. Every company must prepare on file it. Prepare on file it. Every company. A public company limited by share may adopt table A. A public company limited by share may adopt table A. Purpose: to define the object and powers of the company. Object and powers of the company. MAO, the lay down rules and regulation. Rules and regulation for management by internal affairs. Internal affairs. Status. Main documents, constitutions of the company. Main documents, constitution of the company. Documents. Subsidiary to memorandum. Subsidiary to memorandum. Subsidiary, that means subsidiary book. Provision. Must not contain anything containing to the Company Act. Containing to the Company Act. Provision. Must not contain anything containing to the Company Act and the memorandum. And the memorandum. Relationship. Regulates relationship between the company and outsiders. Regulates relationship between the company and outsiders. Regulates relationship between company and members. Company and members. And members and members. Members and members. Members and members. Alteration, change. According to change. Difficult permission of central government. MO, alteration. Difficult permission of central government. Easy and special resolution of the company required. Easy and special resolution of the company required. Okay students.